In this video, I'm going to show you how to make someone an admin on a Discord server. I'll be demonstrating this on a laptop, but these steps also work on mobile. The first thing you need to do is open the Discord app and click on your server from the left-hand navigation. Make sure you own the server, as only the server owner can give someone administrator access. Once you're on your server, click the drop-down arrow in the top left corner and select Server Settings. From the left-hand navigation, click Roles. The first thing we need to do is create an administrator role. Click Create Role and give it the name Admin. You can then scroll down and choose a color for the role. Next, scroll down to display role members separately from online members and make sure this option is enabled. Now click Permissions at the top, scroll all the way to the bottom, and under Advanced Permissions, enable Administrator. Once you've done that, click Save Changes. Now head back to your Discord server. To make someone an administrator, right-click on their username, click Roles, and select Admin. That person will now have administrator privileges. If you ever want to remove their admin access, simply right-click on their username again, click Roles, and uncheck the admin role. If you found this video helpful, subscribe to our channel.